guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your Gap Inc. employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for Gap Inc. employee login. And over here you can see the first option Gap Inc. login, or you can type in intranet.gap.com. It will take you to the official website of Gap where you can log in into your Gap Inc. account. And over here enter your username of the account, and over here enter your password. You can click on remember my username if you are using your private computer to stay logged in. But if you are using public computer, I do not recommend you to do this. Once you do that, click on sign on button. You should be able to log in into your Gap Inc. employee account. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you can click here forgot password to recover it. If you guys get any confusion while using it, you can click here terms of use. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.